Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule messages on Telegram. So in order to schedule messages on Telegram, it's really easy. So what you need to do is head over to any chat. This can be a group, this can be a personal chat, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you can type your message. So let's say that we type something such as that's, fax, yt, because that's my channel name. And then in order to schedule send this, what I can do is hold down the send button, and that send button is a blue circle with that arrow in it. So hold that down just like this. And once you've done that, what you want to do is click on schedule message. What you can do then right here is basically choose the date when you want this message to go live or basically be sent. So let's say I want to make it go live tomorrow at 10 p.m. Then all I do is select that, and then what I do is click on send tomorrow at 10. Now you will get to this page right here, and this is basically your scheduled messages. So when you leave that, you will right now see that in that basically in our text box where we normally will type, we now see this option of basically this arrow with a circle and this little clock. When you click on that, you will be able to see all the scheduled messages you have basically scheduled to that person or to that group. So you can click on that, and what you can then do is hold down that message, and you can either reschedule it, you can send it now, or you can simply delete it, whatever you want. And if you think it's fine, then you can just leave it and wait till it's being sent. And that's all we need to do in order to schedule messages on Telegram. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.